Hey Benson's Fish Room family, it's Ryan again from Benson's Fish Room, here to do another plant unboxing that I got from Ultum Nature Systems. Stay tuned. Like I said in that opener, I'm doing an unboxing today of some Ultum Nature Systems plants. I discovered Ultum Nature about 3-4 months ago. They have some great glass tanks which I started stocking in all my stores. They also have a great selection of plants and Bucephalandra. That was what really drew me to them, is they are like one of the best suppliers of Bucephalandra out there. And as I pull them out, I'll add cards to tell you, give you descriptions of everything that they're coming and how to take care of them and all that good stuff. So let's just jump right into it, okay? So the first thing we're going to pull out, well, first thing they do is they usually give you a couple things of swag, and I love these microfiber towels. Today I think they gave us 3 or 4 of these. Really cool. I give them out to customers. I use them all the time myself. They're great for cleaning glasses, great for cleaning tanks, everything. They're just good stuff. Anyway, so the first thing I'm going to pull out here is we got some Cryptocoryne undulata. Cryptocorynes are a relatively easy plant. Like I said, I'll throw a card up here. Real pretty stuff. Let's see what else we got. Give you an idea, they have a mixed biaglot of Bucephalandra, and all it says is mixed Buse clumps. There's some Ketadang. What else? Some mini purple. That's a nice big clump too. Look at that. Isn't that pretty stuff? That is a beautiful clump of Buse. I don't know how we get this back in there. We'll find out. Cool. What else did they give us? Some mini coin. Some black pearl. Let's see what the black pearl looks like. Again, a nice clump. Buse is highly collectible, kind of expensive, but relatively easy to care for. That's why we like it so much. You keep it kind of like you do your Anubias. You attach it to rocks, driftwood, stick it in little crevices of pieces of driftwood and stuff like that. What else we got? We got some brownie blue. Let's see. Got some leopard spiralis vallisneria. Really easy. If you look in the back of here, that's what I started with, about 4 clumps, and now it's just spread throughout the whole back of this 210. What are these ones? This is some tortival. Tortival, nice stuff. Great background plant. Oh, here's one I got. I haven't seen this one. I got to look up the Latin name on this. It's called spiky moss. Sold in golf ball size pieces. It's pretty stuff. Spiky moss. It says golf ball or goofball. I don't know. That could be either. See, we got a bunch of tissue culture Monte Carlo. There you go. I'm not good with the Latin name stuff. Real pretty. The tissue cultures, people think they're pricey, but they're really not. Once you break these up, you end up with a ton of plants in each cup, a ton, and it's guaranteed pest-free, disease-free. There's a good one. We got some Estra pens. Real pretty. These are some smaller tissue cultures of the Ketajang, however you pronounce it, buse. A little red mini. This one might come right out. I'm gonna have to take this one myself. It's a nutrient gel they pack it in. You want to make sure you rinse that off really well. It just rinses off pretty easy though. Ooh, some cute little Anubias Nana Petite. What a pretty green that is. Oh, I love me some plants. Oh, I love the smell of it too. Cascade King. Real pretty red stems on them. Underside is kind of a pinkish. Real pretty. This one is Black Pearl. This is potted black pearls. Bucephalandra. Oh, they're so cute. Real pretty. What else do we got? Oh, there's one I can never. Meboldi. I don't know. L. Meboldi. Like you can literally break that up into probably 10, 15 different plants, maybe even more. This one is an Elcaris Mini. I believe it's dwarf grass. Again, break them up. You can get probably 15 little tiny little pieces, clumps out of it, maybe more. Hell, Ulteranthera illicina. It's a nice pretty red plant. Really red. Oh, the red in that is fantastic. Kind of like the color of cranberries. So there's one there. You got about 4 or 5 right in here alone. Phoenix Flamingo. Some red mini. That one doesn't want to come out. Yeah, a little piece of it came out. Real pretty stuff. Looks like that's about it. Hey, if you guys got any questions on anything you saw today, just post a comment down below. I'll get back to you right away. As always, if you like this, you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that little notification bell. You'll know when I get another video up. Until next time, stay fishy, my friends. Love you. See you later.